Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. So if you're open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader, how day trading can play out, then this will be a video for you. Now, if you are looking for a scripted video, a nice little presentation, this will not be the video for you, because when I say live, I mean I don't know what's coming next. So unscripted, who knows what's going to happen, but that is the reality of trading. So if that sounds like something of value, then let's see what happens. So I'll go ahead and pause for now, and I'll be back at the open. All right, have an order at 18 here for some call contracts. So in there, going at 18. We'll look to add some more. See if I can get some at 1650. Got those. Looking for a bounce here. Step one would be to get back up above 850. Okay, got some out at 1775. All right, so just a $25 trade, disappointing. I needed that to bounce to continue. It didn't continue, so I had to get out, which was the right move. But like I said, had that pushed up a bit more, I was hoping to get more, but so just looking at them, that was quite the move. And yeah, that was the bounce I was looking for. It may still bounce, but as far as the strategy, I needed that bounce to be the bounce that pushed up just even a tad bit more. Not like I needed some sort of massive reversal, and it is now showing up here. So I am interested at 850 puts though. So if this thing wants to come up to, let's call it 865, I would be interested. I could be interested in playing calls again if this thing wants to come back down, but as of now, just letting things play out a bit more. No, I do realize that, on that first one, I did have some unrealized gains that were a whole lot larger than 25. But again, per the strategy, I wanted to see, I thought that thing could bounce up a bit more, which would have given me more. But like I said, it just, it didn't quite give me that bounce. But again, up around, let's call it 864, 865. I would certainly be interested in that. But as of now, just got to let this kind of figure out what it wants to do. All right, I will go ahead and pause for now. All right, I'm going to try to pick up some puts here at 34. So looking for this thing come up a bit more, fill me, and then come back down. So step one, need Tesla to actually come up in price a bit. And then come back down through 851. That seems as though that'll be the key breakdown point. Okay, good. I got those. So now let's see if this thing wants to come back down. An 851 is going to be that key level, but I'm out there for $500, which I structured it nicely because in all actuality, that level didn't even need to get tested, let alone break yet, because of the way I structured it. Still able to put $500 in my pocket, and it's 942. Well, all right. I'm going to go into a bit more of and look at that. Never got the breakdown yet. I still made $500. That's the idea behind structuring, understanding, structuring things in a way where you don't even need anything major to happen, yet you can still have, quality movement. So again, check it out. It went up. Never got a breakdown yet. I still made $500 on it. I do have to get that alerted though. 851. Flush point, 1 minute. That is still a very, very interesting level down there if it comes into play. So up 525 now. This thing wants to get up to 867. I would be interested, but it's really just a question of do I think that wants to break down? I'll keep an eye on it. But that's certainly a very interesting level. But regardless, right there, now up 525 on the day. And as my slogan goes, $500 a day keeps the day job away. And I really should just be done. I mean, this is a side hustle for me. I have multiple streams of income. I do this not for the money. Well, I do it for the money. Don't get me wrong. Let me rephrase. I don't do it mainly for the money. I do it for the freedom of time. So now, if you want to do this because you want a Lamborghini and a private jet, then cool. If that's your goal, go for it. Clearly, I'm not going to be able to, be getting Lamborghinis and private jets making $500. But like I said, I'm not after that. At this point in my life, as a father of 5 young kids, we homeschool, so they're around here. I have other I have other income streams, my real estate investing, my teaching business at claytrader.com, my personal finance site at moneywithclay.com. I have a lot of other stuff going on. So if I have the freedom of time to go work on all this other stuff, then to me, $500 in whatever that was, 12 minutes, 13 minutes, that is definitely worth it. But I still do like 851. So I'm kind of stalling here a little bit, but I'll keep an eye on it. But if I am done for the day, then I've kind of answered the why would you be done after only 12 minutes? That's why, because I do this for the freedom of time. But I mean, it has only been 12 minutes, so I'm willing to give it a little bit more time. Usually I do, or what I also do is, the be done in 30 approach, as I call it, meaning on average, I want to be done after 30 minutes. Now, yes, some days I'll go more than 30 minutes, but as of right now, I mean, I could be done well under 30 minutes. But like I said, in this situation, that 851 mark is oh so tempting. Same with even here on NVIDIA. It's got a nice little setup. What is that? 182. Okay, I will go ahead and pause though for now. All right, well, I am done, and I walked away, didn't even see things, and completely missed everything that I was talking about. But on the flip side of things, and for those of you that are maybe wondering, hey, Clay, how does your private community work? I had everything mapped out on Tesla. First, it was for members 851 as a flush point, and then you can see right there, did another update and adjusted it to 853. And this isn't, just members don't blindly follow, right? So it's not a bunch of sheep. It's just traders working together, helping each other out, throwing out, different, perspectives. And then it's up to each individual person to look and say, no, I don't think so. I disagree, or no, it doesn't fit my strategy. But everybody is thinking for themselves. Or to be fair, maybe it was like, no, Clay, I think that's not the right point. It should be a different point. But in this situation, let me bring up so 853 was essentially right there. You can see got the break and went all the way down to essentially 843. So a $10 move. And in the world of options, that's very valuable. So any members that saw that and took that trade, that watched these videos, congratulations to you. I'm very happy that although I completely missed it, not that I would have played it perfectly for all 10 points or anything like that. I'm not trying to suggest that, but just in general, wanted to illustrate kind of how the chat room works, because that is a common question. And if you want to join, then we'd love to have it as part of the community, as long as you have the mentality that you want to learn how to think for yourself, that you're not a sheep, that you want to just be told what to do. That's not how the markets work. I get it. That's a good sales pitch. But as traders, you got to be able to think for yourself. And when you can work with other traders that are thinking for themselves, then yeah, you can ultimately come across some good opportunities. But that is all I have. So $500 a day keeps the day job away, walking away with $525. And I am more than happy with it, especially when I essentially made that in about 12 minutes with a trade that it didn't really work. But as I said earlier, because of the way I structured it, it still allowed me to put $500 into my pocket. Still disappointed about that first one, though. I felt as though I had myself positioned very nicely. I needed that bounce, and the bounce just never really happened. And it is what it is. Sometimes that happens, but at least got the next one there that led to a nice little $500 bill. But everybody, take care. Have a good one. If you enjoy these live videos, hit that like button. Leave a simple comment down below. That really helps me out. And if you do want to join the community, just go to claytrader.com/team, and you can learn more there. So everybody, take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.